Alright, so I'm going to talk about this product today, RP90, made by Action Can. 500ml tin, penetrates, releases, protects. So it's really good. It's about £4 a tin. Got it from Tool Station. We're going to talk about this at another point, but we're removing tie rods today, and the reason I mention that is there's a nut here. It's the original tie rod. We've been on here about 14-15 years. Now, I've squirted this on there, and I've seen loads of videos of people struggling to get these off. Undo this nut, and literally within 5 minutes, using a breaker bar and putting this stuff on, it's coming undone. It was that easy. Additionally, there seems to be a lot of issues with freeing these as well to get the inner tie rod. This is on a Renault Masterman, in case anybody's interested. That was a 13mm on there. And although this has been on here a while, it is moving, so it does work, but incredible how quickly that came loose there. I mean, literally that'll just pop off in a little bit. So I think if you're doing any work on a vehicle, you need to sort of remove stuff quickly and easily. That's probably the best stuff I've used. It comes with a little pipe that you can stick in there, a bit like WD-40 really. And you can square it into places. Leave for about 5 minutes. If it doesn't move, just put a little bit more on. Apparently it protects from rusting up again. So Action Can RP90 Penetrating Oil. Hope that helps you.